Alright, today we're doing door speakers on a 95 Blazer. This is before. It's only coming out of this one. Give me the light.
Door card.
Remove this door card. There's supposed to be 2 bolts down in there. I don't know if you can tell or not, but they've kind of been mutilated on this truck. There's supposed to be a push pin behind that door handle right there. Also been mutilated on this truck. This switch panel, this switch panel pops up. You pull up the front and it'll slide up. If he holds the light, I can probably do it with one hand. You pull up the front like so, pull it up like that, and you just unplug these wires. There's clips all the way around.
Half of mine broke.
And most of it's broken, as you can see. There's clips up inside, and it pops off all the way around. Alright, update's coming. What you do when you give up on taking the door panel apart is you just come on down here and you pry it back like so, and you can get to it in like 1 second. Speakers right there. So guys, you take a light and you jam it up in there, and it'll hold your door out far enough you can reach in there and get those wires crimped together. Then put your new speaker in. Now we got this one working. Now we're done for the night because it's 13 degrees outside.